Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. So in today's class, let us learn lesson number 1 revision part. That means whatever you have written in the classwork, we are going to revise, we are going to recall all the means from your classwork. So I want everybody to open your books and whenever I am saying and giving, just you have to repeat the words or might be spellings or the sentences. Okay, so let us start children now. Okay, so what is your lesson number 1? What is the name of the lesson number 1 in your book? Yes, my body. What is the lesson name? My body. So in the lesson 1, today we are going to revise all the my body. Whatever ma'am has given, everything we are going to revise in this class. Means we are going to learn everything in this class. Right? So let us start now. The first main of your content is content spellings. Okay, what is the first main in your book? You have written content spellings, right? So today we are going to learn all the content words with the spellings. Okay? Okay. Let us start. The first one is machine. What is the first word? Machine. What is the spelling of the machine? M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Repeat. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Okay. Next, the second word is function. What is the second word? Function. Spell it out. F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. Function. Once again, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. Function. The third word is perform. What is the third word? Perform. What is the spelling? P-E-R-F-O-R-M. Perform. Once again, P-E-R-F-O-R-M. Perform. Let us go for the fourth word now. What is the fourth word? External. What is the fourth word? External. What do you mean by external? What do you mean by external? External means outside, outside of our body. Okay? So the spelling is E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L. External. Once again, E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L. External. Next, let us go for the fifth one, that is internal. Internal means inside our body. Okay. E-I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L. Internal. I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L. Internal. Next, sixth one. Sixth one is stomach. What is the word? Stomach. Touch your stomach, everyone. Okay, how the stomach look like? How it looks like? Yes, the stomach looks like a bag. Got it? Yes. Spell it out. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Next word is control. What do you mean by control? Control. Which body functions? Control all the body functions of our body. Which part will control all the functions of our body, you know? Yes, the brain. Where is the brain? Where is the brain? Inside our head. The brain controls all the functions of our body. Right? That is control. Say C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Control. Once again repeat with me. C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Control. The next word is important. What do you mean by important? It's very important. All the parts in our body is very important for us. Yes, no? All the body parts are very important. Yes, no? That is important. I am P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Once again repeat. I am P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. The next one is staircase. Staircase, have you seen? You all at home, you will be having the staircases, no? To climb up. Yes, that is staircase. S-T-A-I-R-C-A-S-E. Staircase. Once again repeat. S-T-A-I-R-C-A-S-E. Staircase. The next word is situated. You can also keep your fingers and read. Situated. S-I-T-U-A-T-E-D. Situated. Once again repeat. S-I-T-U-A-T-E-D. Situated. The next word is belly. What is the next word? Belly. Spell B-E-L-L-Y. Belly. B-E-L-L-Y. Belly. Okay. Next. 12th word is digest. What is the 12th word? Digest. Spell it out. D-I-G-E-S-T. Digest. Once again we'll repeat. Yes. D-I-G-E-S-T. Digest. What is the next word? Surrounding. What is the next word? Surrounding. Okay? Say surrounding. Yes. Spell now. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G. Surrounding. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-I-N-G. Surroundings. Nice. Next. Identify. Identify. Okay. Identify. Say, spell it out. I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y. Identify. I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y. Identify. Okay. Next. Different. What is the next word? Different. Okay. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Once again repeat with me. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Next. Tongue. Tongue. Where is your tongue? Yeah, inside your mouth. What it will do? What is the function of the tongue? It tastes. It gives taste, no? Taste of our food. Whether it is sour, whether it is sweet, yes, no? Whether it is bitter. So like the taste will come to know by tongue itself. Okay? Say the spelling now. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. The next word is healthy. Healthy. What is the next word? Healthy. Is no? H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. Okay, spell it out now. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. The next word is regularly. Regularly means every time. Yes, no? Every time. Regularly spelling R-E-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Regularly. Once again, R-E-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y. Okay, now we have completed the first mean. So let us revise once again, only one time the first main. Only the words. Okay, spellings afterwards you have to practice yourself. Okay, what is the first word? Machine. Second one, function. Third one, perform. Fourth one, external. Fifth one, internal. Sixth one, stomach. Seventh one, control. Eighth one, important. Ninth one, staircase. 10th one, situated. 11th one, belly. 12th one, digest. 13th one, surrounding. 14th one, identify. 15th one, different. 16th one, tongue. 17th one, healthy. 18th one, regularly. So learn the spellings properly. Okay, I had the spellings. We'll go for the next main now. What is the next main? Next main we are having the tick the correct options. Yes, no, I have written directly the answer. So just you can read it and go. Second main, first question. If you want, you can keep your fingers also in your books. Okay, when I'm teaching, you can keep your fingers and you can repeat. Got it? Yes. First one, with the spellings we'll learn now. W-E-V, U-S-C-Use, O-U-R, our, L-E-G-S, legs, A-N-D, and, F-E-E-T, feet, T-O-2, J-U-M-P, jump. Okay, once again we'll read only the sentence now. Keep your finger. We use our legs and feet to jump. Finish? Yes. Now we'll go for the second one. We'll read with the spellings now. Read W-H-I-C-H, which, O-N-E-1, I-S is, A-N and, I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L, internal, O-R-G-A-N, organ. Which one is internal organ? Which one is internal organ? Heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Once again, we'll repeat the second one. Say, which one is an internal organ? The answer is heart. Okay? Okay. Now we'll go for the third one. Say, W-H-I-C-H, which, O-R-G-A-N, organ, C-O-N-T-R-O-L-S, controls, A-L-L, all, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-S, functions, O-F, of, T-H-E, the, B-O-D-Y, body. Okay, which organ controls all the functions of the body? That is, I told you which body part controls the functions of the body. Yes, it is the brain. Okay, B-R-A-I-N, brain. Shall we repeat the third one once again? Let's keep your fingers. Say, which organ controls all functions of the body? The answer is brain. Got it? Now, the third main is complete the words. Fill in the blanks, complete the words. Okay? So, the third main is complete the words. Okay. Let us start the third main now. Say, T-H-E the, B-R-A-I-N brain, I-S is, I-N, S-I-D-E. Inside, O-U-R, our, H-E-A-D, head. See, the brain is inside our head. Once again repeat, the brain is inside our head. Okay, second one now. Say, T-H-E the, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. A-R-E-R-I-N, in, P-A-I-R, pair. The lungs are in pair. Finish? Next, we'll go for the third one. Third one, say, the stomach, T-H-E the, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach, I-S is, L-I-K-E, like, A-B-A-G, bag. Got it? The stomach is like a bag. Next, fourth one. W-E-V-H-A-V-E, have, F-I-V-E, 5, S-E-N-S-C, sense, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. We have 5 sense organs. Next, fifth one. Read. W-E-V-S-H-O-U-L-D, should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. B-R-U-S-H, brush. O-U-R, our. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T-W-I-C-E, twice. A-D-A-Y, day. Once again we'll repeat. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Finished, children? Now we'll go for the match the following. The next main, fifth main is match the following. We have 5 sense organs, right? Which are the 5 sense organs? Will you say me which are the 5 sense organs? Yes. Say which are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and the skin. These are 5 sense organs. Got it? Now we'll match it. What are these 5 sense organs function? What it will do? What the eyes will do? It will see. It helps us to see. As now what the ears will do? What is the function of the ear? For hearing the sounds. As now for listening, for hearing, we need ears. Okay? Next, nose. Nose what will do? For smelling, it helps us to smell. Yes, no? Yes or no? It won't help you. Yes, the nose helps us to smell. Next, what this tongue will do? What the tongue will do? You all will eat chocolates, right? Okay, why you'll eat the chocolate? Why you'll eat? What is the taste of the chocolate? Sweet. Yes, no, it's very sweet. Everybody loves the chocolate to eat. So how you'll come to know that sweetness? How you will feel the sweetness while eating? How you'll come to know it is sweet, it is sour, it is bitter? How? Spicy? Yes, no. So by the help of the tongue. Tongue will give the taste. Whatever we eat, the tongue helps us to taste. Okay? Next, the skin. The skin. If I pinch you, what will happen? When I'll pinch you, what will happen to you? Huh? It will pain. Yes, no, we can see the pain? No, we cannot see the pain, but we can feel. Yes, no, if I pour the hot water, what it will become? How you will feel? Very hot. Yes, no, on the skin. Some feelings will be there, no? That skin help us for feeling. Got it? Now we'll match that. Okay, what I told? Eyes. What it will do? It helps us to see. EYES, eyes. SEEING, seeing. Okay? Let us match. Next, what this nose will do? Smelling. What is the spelling for smelling? SMELLING. Smelling. Okay? Let us match for smelling. Next, ears. Ears for hearing. The spelling of hearing is HEARING. Hearing. Okay, let us match for hearing. Tongue, TONGUE, tongue. Tongue helps us for tasting. Okay, TASTING, tasting. Let us match for tasting. Next, the fifth one is skin. SKIN. Skin, feeling. So let us match for feeling. Now 5 means finished. Let us go for fifth main, that is the answer the following questions. Okay? Yes. Now we'll come for the fifth main, that is answer the following questions. What is the first question in the answer the following questions? Say WRITE, right? THE, the. NAMES, names. OF, of. ANY, any. TH, REE, 3. EX, TER, NAL, external. DODY, body. PARTS, path. Write the names of any 3 external body parts. You have to write any 3 external body parts. Which are the 3? HEAD head, LEGS legs, EYES eyes. Okay, which are the 3 body parts we have written here? Head, legs, eyes. Now we'll go for the second one. What is the second question? WRITE, right? THE, the. NAMES, names. OF, of. ANY, any. THREE, 3. INTER, NAL, internal. ORGANS, organs. Once again, write the names of any 3 internal organs. We have to write any 3 names of internal organs. Which are that? BRAIN, brain. HEART, heart. LUNGS, lungs. Which are the 3 parts? Brain, heart and lungs. Finish? Now we'll go for the third question. What is the third question? WHAT, what? ARER, YOUR, your. FIVE, 5. SEN, SC, sons. ORGANS, organs. Say along with me. What are your 5 sense organs? What are your 5 sense organs? EYES, eyes. EARS, ears. NOSE, nose. TONGUE, tongue. AND, and. SKIN, skin. Okay, these are your 5 sense organs. Shall we repeat again? See, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Finished children? Now we'll go for the fourth question. WHICH, which? ORGAN, organ. CONTROLS, controls. ALL, all. FUNCTIONS, functions. OF, off. THE, the. BODY, body. Which organ controls all functions of the body? That is brain. The answer is brain. BRAIN, brain. Okay, now we'll go for the fifth question. Say WHICH, which? ORGAN, organ. HELPS, helps. US, us. TO2, TASTE, taste. Which organ helps us to taste? The answer is tongue. TONGUE, tongue. What is the answer? Tongue. So we have finished with first lesson now, children. Now what is your work? You have to read. You have to write all the question answers. You have to practice. You have to write in the rough note and you have to practice this. There will be an oral test for you. In the next class, I may ask the questions. Now this is finished.